Okay, so last time we were here, we started the engine, did a few things. I want to point out one thing here. That bolt right there is holding oil pressure inside the engine. Apparently, if you don't plug that, you make a mess. So I had to clean that up. There's some residue right here, but whatever. Let's focus in on this. So, made some connections that I can take out. Made a little jumper. So I can take this and plug it in here and then turn off the engine just by disconnecting it, rather than having to untwist this from the terminal. So that means, like, during the winter, as we traverse through it, I can just come out here, plug that in, grab this bad boy, set it on top of the terminal, and then just give her, give her a crank. We'll see how that goes. Not so good. Wait for it.